Alright, good morning everyone. Looks like we have another trade coming up this week. So that's why I decided to broadcast and set up this trade, or a plan for the trade. This is going to be another 618 trade in conjunction with the volume profile. Alright, so this looks like being a big drop, so the EURUSD pair is going up at the moment, and I think it's gonna continue. Well, obviously we can only have a strategy for one particular trade. I don't know where it's gonna go, but if it does go up to this level, I'm gonna short, because usually that's what happens. If you check previous trade, if you look back, it usually happens around 618 and 786. So if you have a look here, previous drop 786, 618. So I think we did the trade. I think we had that trade. I can't remember. You can check my history on TradingView. Here's another trade, 618. So the reason why I'm gonna short as well, because we are in a downtrend. There's a bit of correction. Interesting. Still, we have a channel, downtrend channel. Interesting. There's a bit of correction happening. But it might go sideways. It'd be very interesting if it reverses from here. Let's see the weekly. Yeah, on the weekly you can see it's a clear downtrend. Alright, so we're just gonna stick to a regular 618 strategy. Let's set it up. Where's our indicator, the volume profile? Let's get that on the screen. Session visible range. Yeah, we want visible range. So as you can see, there's a big volume right around here. So I would expect a big drop off. So I'm gonna mark this area as the sell zone. Somewhere around. This is gonna be our sell zone. One, 3, 2, 6, 8, 1. Sell here. This strategy is very basic, guys, and it's been working time and time again. And you see, it's all about, everybody trades differently, obviously. Some people like to trade more frequently, but it all depends on what type of trader you are. So for me, the best strategy was to wait it out, find a nice 618 reversal, and short from there. And that's what I'm gonna do again. Very simple. So we're gonna go up here, and then we're going down. take profit is obviously gonna be, we need to check the structure. I would say it might go even further down. At least it's gonna get to this level. Yeah, good question. Where are we gonna take the money? We can always do something like this. Reverse 618, so target profit is gonna be around here and here. This is gonna be TP2. TP2. This is gonna be our TP1. TP1. Guys, as I said, I'm just sticking to the very simple strategy here. Those levels always work for me, and there's no other reason why I would close my trade here, but the 382 level of the Fibonacci extension. Okay, get rid of this. Or maybe not. Undo. Let me mark those levels. There you go. And there you have it. This is going to be our setup for the upcoming short trade. Stop loss above 786. We might gonna reach, so you gotta be careful, obviously. You gotta monitor the price. I wouldn't short here as soon as it reaches. That's why I'm not gonna have a sell order placed here. Limit sell. I won't place a limit sell order because I want to monitor the price. Usually this is daily, right? So if we go to 4-hour chart, I would be looking for something like this. It should give me enough time to react. Because if I'll be seeing strong bars going up, I'll wait for the price to reverse before placing my order. Because you need some sort of confirmation, because nobody knows where the price is gonna go, so you gotta be prepared, ready for whatever. Okay, this is our point of control. 2 heavy volume clusters. I think as soon as it reaches this cluster, it's gonna go down. So there you have it. Let's publish the idea. EURUSD shorting opportunity. This is going to be short based on support and resistance, supply and demand, and Fib levels. Mostly Fib levels. Thank you. EURUSD. Traditional 618 setup with 2 TP levels. Oh, not traditional, let's say classic, because it is classic setup. Okay, we have 4-hour chart. Look, there's a chance that the price is actually go down from here. There's a high chance, but I rarely trade 382 levels. They can be great, so it might collapse here, and then I always do 618 again. It all comes down to your risk management. You can, if you like to risk more, then by all means, there's no wrong or right answer. It's just whatever suits you. Classical 618 setup with 2 TP levels. Bang. Very simple. I'm not going to write an essay on this level, on this setup. There you have it, guys. Let me know what you think. Let me know your setups. I'd be keen to have a look. And happy trading.